Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the latest update on Roblox on using Roshade. So let's get started. So here we are in our Windows PC, and first of all I'm gonna tell you the main goal of this video is that to tell you that Roshade or any other shaders is now banned in Roblox because of the anti-cheat system that is because of the new anti-cheat system of Roblox. So you can't use any shaders anymore or Roshade, and you can just search for articles for some YouTube videos right here. They are saying that Roshade is now banned, is now illegal in Roblox. So if you force yourself in using Roshade in Roblox, if you ever find a way on how to do it, then you might get banned for that. And there are some articles right here that they got banned for using shaders and so on right here. So if you want to be safe, then don't use any shaders because that is now illegal, or that is not allowed anymore in Roblox because of their new anti-cheat system. So yeah, so I hope that you understand that. And if you want to use any other shaders, I think they are also banned. So just like here in this article, as you can see, now your shaders in Roblox not working with this new anti-cheat update right here. You can see some articles, or you can go for this one, for this Reddit thread, and you can see here. But as you can see, this is already outdated because this is 2 years ago, and the new anti-cheat system is only recent. So you can't really trust this, so you might want to look at the dates. So yeah, look at the dates right there and so on. You can also view some YouTube videos. I think this will be very helpful. This is from Joe, I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah, you can use YouTube videos right here so that you can understand more. If you want to dive deeper into why Roblox has banned shaders, then you can just watch those videos right here. But this video is only to inform you that Roshade or any other shaders is now banned by the new anti-cheat system of Roblox. So I hope this video helped you out.